Welcome to Janin.
Today's episode will feature
Teacher of the Month,
Jacket Code Assembly,
the 7th grade team reaching their goals,
and Is Jax Taller.
I'm Brooklyn.
And I'm Scarlett.
This is Janin, a show with interesting topics
And even more interesting people.
We would like to recognize our March Teacher of the Month, Mrs. Lowe.
I feel very honored. That's a very special thing that the students thought about that and nominated me for it. My favorite part about teaching is building relationships with all the students and just getting to know them and teaching them and really just building relationships and memories with them. This is my 5th year. I think pretty much any teacher will tell you that everything they do is for their students. So just motivating me to make sure they understand things and make sure I'm making things as fun and interesting for them as possible.
For JNN, I'm Lydia Hutton.
And I'm Emma Stevens.
Congratulations to Mrs. Lowe for being the Teacher of the Month.
Let's go check in with our monthly Jacket Code Assembly.
Wow, that was fun. Did you see Miss Johnson getting taped to the wall?
Yeah, let's see what that was about.
Mrs. Barker's 7th grade team was able to reach 80% on each of their assessments and achieve their goal, and were able to duct tape a teacher to the wall.
So on our team, the 7th graders had the goal to have 80% on a certain amount of assessments, and if they reached that, then the teacher could get duct taped to the wall. I do think it helped them reach that goal. They were very motivated on all of their tests, and they wanted to do good. I did have fun being taped to the wall. It was a little scary, but it was pretty fun.
And every time they got 80% or higher on any of the tests for social studies, math, science, and English, they earned 1.5 feet of duct tape. And once they got enough to physically duct tape us to the wall and get it to stick, and then we duct taped us to the wall.
I did phenomenal on the test. Yes, it motivated me to do better because I wanted to see the teacher float.
Yes, the reward of taping a teacher on the wall really motivated me because I feel like it's just like, it's exciting to like have that reward, and it just really motivated me to like put my all. Yes, I had a lot of fun taping a teacher to the wall.
For JNN, I'm Jackson Pendergrass.
Congrats to that team for reaching their goals.
Now it's time for drum roll, please.
Our final is Jax Taller.
Welcome back to the unfortunate final episode of Is Jax Taller. It's truly heartbreaking to think that this is the final episode where we get to compare Jax to the most random objects to see if he's taller. Today we have the bee All right, let's see if he's taller. As you can see, the B is taller because it has vertical height already. Today we have Mr. Jernigan. All right, let's see if Jax is taller. Well, I'm gonna say Jax is just a little bit taller. Today we have
Emiliano.
All right, let's see if he's taller than Jax. And as you can see, it's kind of close, but I think Jax is just too nonchalant. Today we have
Gibson.
All right, let's see if he's taller. And as you can see, I think Gibson's just a bit taller. Today we have
Mrs. Arl.
And Mr. Westerman.
All right, let's see if Jax is taller. Well, hey, get off your tippy toes, Mr. Westerman. All right, and as you can see, for the final time, I believe, Jackson is just too nonchalant. Is Jax taller than the yearbook pages of the week? All right, let's see. As you can see, he is not, because if you take all the prizes you get from buying your yearbook early, it would stack way above him. Buy your yearbook. As you can see, look at the prizes you can get from buying your yearbook. Buy your yearbook before March 25th. We have a special request from our biggest fan, Zeke. Be more excited next time and be careful what you wish for. Anyways, is Jax taller than the building? And as you can see, it's not even close! Today we have Jackson's spawn point. We're gonna see if Jackson's taller than his mommy. As you can see, with the chair, no. But without the chair, Jackson's, for the final time, too nonchalant.
Love you, Mom.
Anyway, thanks for watching this amazing episode of JNN.
Until next time, bye.
Cash might be taller.
Jax, put Cash down.
Okay.